excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Madzi, and today I've got yet another video where I'm going to show you how you can earn $10 in 15 minutes. Right, before I give you the details of what I have for you today, my friend, let me remind you to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that I can notify you each time and every time I drop a video. And the website which we are using today, my friend, is called analysia.com, right? So here, the way you're going to make $10 in 15 minutes is that you'll be analyzing some websites, okay? So the information you're seeing right here is for the potential customers or clients of this website. Test your mobile application performance by real users. Watch videos of real users to see why they are leaving your site, okay? Indicate what tasks you want users to perform on your site. Number one, right? We communicate with our users to produce video, including audio comments, right? And you receive a narrated video of each user navigating your website, right? So that's about their information to their potential customers, okay? But the way you are going to make money with this website is by becoming a tester yourself, all right? So you see the button, scroll down to the bottom, you see the button that says become a tester right there. Yes, you click that one, right? And then you fill in, you register. You fill in the form right here. It's dead easy. It's a worldwide opportunity. All right, so here you see, share your experience. We want your opinion. Get paid surfing websites while telling us what you think. $10 for 10 to 15 minutes. You are earning $10 for just 10 to 15 minutes task. All right, so you feel in that. Look at the frequently asked questions right here. What does the test involve? You'll be asked to read some instructions and complete tasks on a website. This session will be recorded. Your screen and your audio will be saved. It typically takes about 15 minutes. And who qualifies to do this test, right? You can see that anybody with an internet connection and a microphone. We accept a good variety of users from many locations and many different profiles. How long does it take to do the task? 15 minutes. How much does it pay? $10 for each test. How do you get paid? PayPal. How do I get contacted? By email, right? And how many tests can I expect to do? This opportunity is very popular. Getting paid $10 for just a few minutes, many testers want that, and statistically, there are less customers than testers. So you can not expect to do a test per day. It depends upon your profile, and some companies need specific tester profiles. But being a target profile, you can be invited to do a few tests per month, all right? And to get $70 extra per month or $100 extra per month, my friend, you know that you can buy a few things. Obviously, this is not going to make you rich because this is active income. You can only be paid for what you have done. So when you are actively working, then that's when you are going to get the money. But let me tell you also, you've got a way of doubling or tripling your income with this site by just referring your friends. This is how it works. Simple, right? It's rewarding, high earning potential. Get 15% of the sales for customers. Get $2 for each test done by our testers. Each time someone you refer does a test, you get $2. So what you can do is you can go mad with this exercise. Go on social media, go on Facebook, go on Twitter, go everywhere. You can even WhatsApp your friends or your contacts. You tell them that there is free money, free PayPal money, and then you send your own referral link to them that they have to register through your link. As you register, you get a referral registration right here, okay? Registration here, right? Is the same registration, but you get a referral link, okay? So once you get your referral link, then you can send it to as many people as possible for them also to get $10 in 15 minutes. Who doesn't want an extra $10, right? So you know that people who jump on the opportunity. All right. So my friend, this is how you can double or triple your income with this site, okay? This is active income. And as long as you are analyzing the websites, right? And as long as you get the tasks and you do the tasks on this website, you get the $10 in 15 minutes. But let me tell you that you can also get money on AutoPilot, which is passive income. That you set up a business once and the business goes to work for you 24/7 whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your family, with your loved ones, whilst you're doing the more important things in life. Maybe you are trying to run away from your 9-to-5 job, which you do not like and which you resent. And you resent your boss, you resent everything that is there. All right? So my friend, in the description below, I've got a link that can give you an opportunity to earn whilst you are sleeping, whilst you are on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, whilst you are doing the more important things in life, right? So click the link in the description below, which says my #1 recommendation to make money online on AutoPilot. Click that link and it will take you to a site where you are going to get an advisor, a mentor, someone who is going to help you to build an AutoPilot business, a business that goes to work for you 24/7, 365. Otherwise, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next videos. Bye for now.